Hey, if you're a BCBA and parent training is the hardest part of your week, you're not alone and you're not doing it wrong. Most of us were trained to write goals for clients, not coach parents who are overwhelmed, distracted, or just trying to survive bedtime. But here's the thing. Parent training doesn't have to feel like starting from scratch every session. And you don't need to build a new handout or find the perfect words every single week. That's exactly why I created the Parent Training Quick Start series. In just a few short videos, you'll learn how to write goals that guide the session, not just fill a report. Use a flexible 5-step format that keeps your coaching on track and actually help parents follow through even when life gets messy. Plus, you'll get instant access to the free Achieve Parent Training Session Planner so you can stop winging it and start making progress you can see. Just scroll down to the Stop Dreading Parent Sessions playlist to get started. And if you're looking for a bigger reset, tools, templates, and a community of BCBAs doing this work with you, I've got something for that too. More on that soon. You're not behind. You just need a better system. Let's build it together.